this is the judgment of your Lordship's coordinate bench, where this particular issue, perhaps your Lordship has not today.
What do you want to do?
This has to be, segregated. It cannot be the subject matter.
An application.
We have. Our application is on record. Can 6.
I want that application must come from the state because this was a challenge to the state.
Kindly bear with me. I have, apart from whatever your Lordship has seen, in the notification of the state, I have I have been able to lay my hands on the cabinet note, case for cabinet discussion, where it is none other than the state. The Commissioner of School Education proposed, has proposed to create 1600
state.
Mr. Shishchandra Bandyopadhyay is appearing.
What is your stand?
Advocate General is also here, but since the issue, so far the Supreme Court order is concerned, do
not want to proceed now in any respect.
I am just that's why.
That submission is
the issue regarding
now, it was
pendency of
kindly, your Lordship will pass the order. Kindly hears us for 1 minute. Kindly hears us for 1 second. The writ petitions carried to your Lordship's court, which is the subject matter of the Supreme Court matter, pertains to class 9, 10, 11, 12, Group C, Group D. This is pertaining to supernumerary posts, in respect of upper primary teachers. The issue came up for consideration in your Lordship's court.
State has filed an application before the Supreme Court annexing 19,000 or 19,000 notification saying that no appointments have been given and the validity of the supernumerary is also under now consideration.
But this is not on the challenge.
I mean, here the validity is subject to what is.
But Supreme Court has not prevented your Lordship.
Also not ready to put.
In Supreme Court also in paragraph 37 we have said that
issue
matter is state.
The issue regarding
the Honorable Supreme Court has been pleased to take note of the pendency of the matter before your Lordship. There is no prohibition, there is no embargo.
No, that they are specifically mentioned to the Supreme
Court. The Honorable Supreme Court has been pleased to acknowledge the pendency of this matter.
Of the issue, it will be the pendency of the special petition C number 1/4 of 2024. Matters alike matters before the Honorable Supreme Court. The hearing of these petitions are adjourned.
Kindly reject our applications.
You are not a party.
Kindly reject.
Sorry. Let the
can 6. Kind 6. Kindly reject.
No. I am not entertaining any application of any party. This is a writ petition challenging.
Kindly record it. With folded hands, kindly record it.
Adjourned,
Mr. Shetty. Not only thing.
August.
Not only thing. Not an application has been filed before your Lordship. Kindly record the application.
These are pertaining to other issues also.
Which one?
Item number 5 and 6.
What are these issues are?
My lord, access to RTE applications.
What is this?
My lord,
what is the RTE application?
We have made RTE applications for our marks, my lord. Inquiring about our marks, my lord.
Not supernumerary.
Yes, my lord. Prayer has been made, my lord. Other issues also there.
How can you segregate? Are you not pressing your prayer regarding supernumerary? Should I record?
Only one humble request. Will not kindly throw me out of court. Will not kindly reject all the applications. Let us have a chance.
I have not. You have applied for, first of all, addition of. Yes. You do not want to press the issue regarding supernumerary.
Keep it, my lord.
The next one.
Well, kindly reject, sir.
4th of
9th of.
Sir, kindly record that your Lordship is not considering any issues of in connection with the application. But kindly record it. So that we can.
Mr. Bhattacharya, I have heard you. Don't repeat it. Repetition will not do.
No, not that. We are just praying.
Don't repeat.
We are just praying.
Don't repeat. I have not allowed any application. Allowed on permission.
Kindly.
Only single. I will not write any more.
As your Lordship. As your Lordship, please.
9th August.
Complete.
There is a simple correction.
Must.
I made
So much complications you have created.
Who has created the complication? We are the state.
State.
But we are just awaiting one letter from the state, and the matter has been stayed by your lordships.
I have asked them, file an application for vacating interim order, but they are not.
But their election will not prejudice, cannot prejudice me.
For the Supreme Court, the State Council made very categorical submission. The action of supernumerary post may be illegal. But there is no criminality, protect us from criminal action. That's a submission.
The only thing, we are not going to give any appointment.
But we have an answer for that.
And then say we
Sir, it is, I love to hear in any matter. Please don't put me in embarrassment for this matter, because supernumerary challenge to the supernumerary, right from the beginning, I'm asking everyone whether, why created and how created. These are the maybe distinct issues, but it is so intermingled, you cannot segregate these one. Let us come on after July. I appreciate fully with these candidates. The state, if comes boldly, no, we have created, we will be given, and we are paying vacation of this order. That can be. This was a reasonable prayer was there. The subject to result. Now the situation and developed and has taken another step, because states stand in state in Calcutta is one, in Delhi is another.
And with leave of my two seniors, we are running at the mercy.
Appreciate Mr. Bhattacharya. That is
He
why-
also knows what is
that
to be
is
said.
Bhattacharya,
That
right
issue
from
is
the
not even
beginning.
there.
Right from the three options, approach to the Supreme Court, get it clarified, number one. Number two, don't press the SLP when there was that SLP of Justice Gangopadhyay's order traveled to Supreme Court, which actually initially registered this court, not
And
to
that
interfere.
matter, I am told, is now tagged with the principal matter in the Supreme Court.
Therefore,
What are these issues?
take all information. This is some other thing is going diagonally opposite to against.
No, I am
So,
nowhere.
sorry.
Only thing, I was just
I appreciate your anxiety. It is not that I am not so anxious about this fate of this. And I am also conscious about the situation that schools are really in want of teachers and whatever, work education, physical education, no selection process, everything is stalled. It is required, but please get it clarified. Please get it clarified. One, when you are expecting to get it, the next blow comes.
Not only one thing, Lord. If you wanted the clarification, Lord, I submit very respectfully.
So
Subject
clarification means that
whether this interconnected.
how it has generated. Mr. Bhattacharya's client has challenged that state you cannot create such
No,
kind of.
that's not the challenge.
This is the challenge in the writ petition. In the writ petition.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah, not there.
No, I am telling you, this is there. And that is why my categorical question before the erstwhile Advocate General, then this is how created. Then what has been traveled to the Supreme Court, how created, why created and how created, these are the, how created before me, why created that travel to Supreme Court, all these investigations. So can you segregate on instruction, he said, no, we cannot, on instruction from the Delhi. Then the next course, go get it clarified from the Supreme Court. They failed, obviously. They filed one after another application. They now after the division bench order, it has taken another step. The state is now saying, no, we are not going to give any appointment. Even if the embargo is lifted, will the state will able to proceed with your application for appointment? Possibly cannot. This is a stand of the state now, that we will not going to give any appointment now.
ultimate helpless victims are these candidates,
Of course, they are the victims.
They are languishing in the streets, They are doing everything but not jobs.
Mr. Bhattacharya, I am not concerned about them also. I am only concerned about the school, the children in the school. They are not
And
getting
this, subject matter is not the subject matter of challenge in the Supreme Court also.
Repeat. Dr. Patro tried to make it distinction. Come on July. In the
Come
meantime,
on August, your lordship said.
August. In July, you give your full force over there. Give your full force over there. A one-line clarification.
এরপরে তুই ignite করবি, কে ignite করছে?
Yes, the next one.